Make a great choice today with the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, traction control, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.